Welcome to AP Workshops and welcome to a very sweaty Wednesday walk around. Welcome back to AP Workshops, welcome back to our very sweaty Wednesday, I think it is, walk around. So what we're going to do is show you the bikes that we've got in the shop that we're working on at the moment, just so you can see what's going on. We've got a couple of little jobs that are quite interesting, that might be interesting to you V4 lads. So we have got a couple of Harley Davidsons there that we're working on. Like I said, one of those is mine, one of those belongs to my mate Dave. How you doing, Dave? I hope you're well. This is the shop bike that we've not seen and we've not finished yet, so we'll keep moving on that one. This is the Edwards replica that we've got in for some engine work on this one, so if you want to follow me through this way. You've all seen my Grom, so watch this space. This is the Tuono Racing that basically was up for sale as a bit of a project that a couple of people have had a look at, but nobody's bought it. So do you know what? We're going to build it. Watch this space. There's a build thread, excuse me, and a build film coming up. We've got like a thing coming up that we're going to do when we're going to restore that one. This is Chris's bike. Look at those glorious front end there. That's absolutely lovely. That's been built. He's sorted out. That's going back to Aberdeen. I hope you're okay, mate. Nice to see you again. The SP that we are basically just sort of fixing when we can. Like I said, quite a rare and beautiful bike, but at this point it's like we've got to just build it when we can. It's really busy. This is Lucas. This is his race bike, his RSV4 race bike, which we're doing a gearbox rebuild on. So if you want to just come down here and you can see all of this. So this is what it looks like, and this is what these look like. We've took all of this out of the way so you can see what's going on. But basically, this is where the gearbox would sit. So this is the end of your crankshaft. That's the crank trigger, so that tells the ECU where you are at when you're at top dead center on the front cylinder and on the rear cylinders. Okay, and like I said, that's where the gearbox would go through. So your clutch would be sat here, your sprocket would be sat through there. There's the oil pump through there. It's quite interesting stuff, like I said. So it takes about, I don't know, what does it say? Probably maybe 40 minutes maybe to get the gearbox out, something along those lines, to have a quick look through it. Really quite an interesting thing to do, you know, but because it's a race bike, it's got what's called a cassette gearbox, dead easy to work on. So we'll keep moving on. This is Andy's bike, Andy's Tuono, that's been here for a little bit. Basically, we've finished it. At last, we've finished this bike. It turns out the running problems was caused, or there was an intermittent running problem caused by the alarm, so got rid of that at last. Thank God for that. That bloody thing was causing us no end of problems. My RGV 250, I think we've already spoken about that in a previous film. This is Amber's bike. Again, we've got some nice, look at those stickers, genuine article stickers for that look.
Really?
How beautiful are they? We've just found those. My Tuono Racing, the nitrous bike, my TZ that I'm scared to death of. Pussy! On the bench at the moment we've got V-Twin 2004 that's running really lean and causing problems when it gets hot right at the top end. Not sure about that one yet. Not sure about that one. And a full service for Shan, give him a wave. Hi Mum! So basically that one's in for a full service, and we'll just sort of work on what goes on with that one. So that's it, just a quick short look around the workshop to let you know what's going on. If you like what you see, don't forget, just give us a little subscribe on the YouTube channel, no problems. Hit that little notification button and it'll give you a message and let you know what's going on when we drop a new one. We're trying to get 2 or 3 a week laid up so you can see what's going on and stay on top of that one. If you want to get in touch with us, no problems. You can get in touch with us via email. That's sales@apworkshops.co.uk. The website is up and running, www.apworkshops.co.uk. Thank you so much for all of your orders. It does keep us all busy. Thank you so much. If you want to get in touch, I've said before, I think Messenger is proving to be quite tricky, so we're trying to phase that out. Send us an email. All emails get answered first thing in the morning, so we know what's going on with that one, so we can get in touch with you. We will get back to you as soon as we can. Thanks very much. We'll talk to you soon.